Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video of Inkybay product personalizer app. In this video, I will show you how you can set maximum color per print location. Let me show you an example. Here is a product and I have added some design on this product. Now if I change the color of the text, also the color of the clipboard is changing according to the text color. Now if I change the color of the clipboard, you can see that text color has also been changed. This is happening because I have set the maximum color of this print location to 1. So let me show you how you can do that. To set maximum colors per print location, first of all, you need to navigate to the Inkybay admin panel. Then you have to click on the products and click on custom. Here you can see the list of your custom products. Now click on the edit button. Then scroll down a bit to the printing types and pricing section. With the product, I have assigned this printing type. Now click on add or edit printing type button. Find your printing type that is assigned with your product. Here is my printing type. I have to click on the edit printing type button. Now click on the price per color section. Here you can see a section named maximum colors per print location. You can assign how many colors you want for that print location. Suppose if you want 4 colors, then you can select 4, or if you want only 1 color, then you can select 1. Then click on the save button. This is how you can assign maximum color per print location. Hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.